Let's talk about this whole free domain thing. A domain name is your website address. It's how people find you online. There are legit ways to get a free domain. Yes, legit. No scams, no just send me your bank details nonsense. Like real usable domains that you can snag for $0. While we're on the subject of being thrifty, how would you like to make a professional website with AI for just $1 per month? Well, just click here to see how I built mine. So basically, the free domain comes as a bonus when you pick the right hosting provider, which you need for your website anyway. Let's break this down into steps so you know exactly what to do to claim your free domain. Step 1 is to decide what you need. First things first, what kind of website are you building? Is it a blog, an online store, a professional or personal portfolio? Knowing this upfront makes it a lot easier to choose the right platform. Step 2 is to sign up for a plan. Most providers offering free domains tie it to an annual hosting or website building plan. Platforms like Squarespace or Wix include free domains with plans like Combo or Unlimited, while Ionos offers flexibility with no term commitment. Step 3 is to search and register your domain. All right, now for the fun part, choosing your domain name. Type in your dream name and check its availability. If it's taken, don't panic. This is completely normal. Platforms like Hostinger or Ionos will suggest alternatives. Step 4 is to confirm and complete registration. Follow the registration process, which most platforms will make super easy. For instance, Hostinger links your domain to your hosting plan automatically. Squarespace is going to walk you through adding the domain to their templates. Easy peasy. And step 5 is to start building your site. Platforms like Wix and Squarespace offer drag and drop tools to design a professional looking site in minutes. And there you have it. That's all it takes to claim a free domain and start building your online presence. If you found this video to be helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs a website themselves. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one. Also, drop us a comment down below about your experience or any questions that you might have. I would love to help you out. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.